hear a clear click when you snap it into each connect. The battery should be the last thing to connect.
It's not lining up, Daddy. Because look, it's going on. Gotta redo it. Take it off.
Alright, let's try lining it from.
Why can't you just ask a really good friend?
No,
Actually, no. I can't look.
come on.
I can't look. I can't look.
Alright, that's in there. Almost.
Please, please, please. Please, please, please.
Let's get it on the long side.
Is George still home?
Yeah, he's sleeping. There we go.
I'm almost gonna stick it. Wait,
Alright,
I
so
meant
use
to
that.
secure it.
Right, there you go. Other side. Straight side. Right.
Wait, but what about...
Just go on the black line. Right.
So right now we're just sticking this on to the screen.
What is that?
This is the new sticker.
Frame sticker.
Yeah. So you saw us peeling off the old sticker. So now we're doing the new one. Oh wait, gotta do it over here. Let me do it. Oh no, it's already stuck.
Yeah. So just you don't have to just one line, bang. Wide strokes. There you go. Not hard. All right, other side. Other side bottom. Look at this. Like you're painting.
I don't want to bend this. That's why I'm scared.
Yeah.
Please. I can't look.
Okay, now put it from the top. Let me go up here. Make sure you got it in here like that. All right, put it from the corner. Gently, slowly. Is it coming off?
Yeah.
No, the black thing is still on there.
Do it. I can't look.
Okay. Oh, come on.
I'm gonna show the camera. Ooh.
There we go. There we go.
You guys can't see. Oh no, they can see.
Right. You can see the black part.
Oh, someone liked it. I think Lux. Maybe, I don't know.
There we go. All right.
It's on? It's on?
It's on. See the black frame sticker around?
You see it?
See? Black frame sticker. Okay. Put it down. Let's get this back to focus.
Oh, sorry.